So the Grameen Bank has been credited with sparking the microfinance movement about 30 years ago. So what has changed in those 30 years, and what sorts of innovations has Grameen actually perpetrated in that 30 years?
Well, I mean, first of all, the term microfinance and microcredit didn't exist back then.
Right.
Back then, the expectations were that you might be able to get some portion of your loans back. And so as a result, you could use whatever came back to lend a second time. And so because of the performance has been better than expected, both in terms of recovering the principal and also recovering the costs of providing the service through interest, we now talk about microfinance not only in terms of preserving the loan capital, but meeting all of the costs of providing the credit to the poor. And so that achievement has where it's really moved from a development project focused to developing a new business model serving the poor rather than a development project focus. And what you've seen, the other innovations that you've seen and that we've been involved in relate to bringing other financial services such as insurance and savings that complement credit, which was the original focus, and also bringing non-financial services, piggybacking on the microfinance infrastructure, providing health, nutrition, education, empowerment approaches that can benefit women and children. These can be done much more efficiently through the microfinance infrastructure, and we only had a dim awareness of this 30 years ago. But now there's a whole innovation about how to use this infrastructure serving close to 100 million families to provide things more than just credit and even more than just financial services.
Right. And